how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account in Australia. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do that. After you open up now your Binance app like this now, if you want to withdraw money from your Binance app to Australian bank account, all you have to do now, just tap on this search bar. After you tap on this search bar, just go ahead now and search for P2P. So here is P2P. So tap on this P2P function. So from this P2P, all you have to do now, you can tap on this sell button. So from this sell button, just tap on this option and switch it to Australian USDT. That's AUD. That's it, Australian USDT. So select the Australian USDT. In this option now, tap on this amount. After you tap on this amount, now choose the amount you want to sell. I want to buy or I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 100. Confirm. So make sure you choose this, as you can see now, this sell button. So I want to sell 100 USDT to my bank account in New Zealand, in Australia. So tap on this bank. So in this option now, select bank and bank transfer. Select these two options and tap on this confirm button. So from this option now you filter good merchant to sell your USDT to them. So all you have to do now, go ahead now and select someone that you want to sell him. So let's say now I want to just go ahead now and sell it to this person. This person will pay me in just 15 minutes, as you can see now. 30 minutes. This one is 360 minutes. Avoid such people. Just go for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. So for me, let's say I want to go with this 15 minutes. After you select the person for the 15 minutes like this now, all you have to do now is say sell. So I'm selling 1 USDT at 1.5712, as you can see now. If I now sell my 100, as you can see now, if I now sell my 100 AUD, that's a Australian USDT, I will be able to receive 63.70 USDT into my bank account. So all you have to do now, tap on this bank to add your bank. So from this option now, go ahead now and add in your bank, as you can see now, add in your payment method. So just let's say I want to add this one, Australian bank. So as you can see now, here is the name. Just go ahead and add in your account number, BSB, that's then bank name. After you finish adding all this information, tap on this confirm button. So it will appear like this for you. From that, after you finish adding your bank, all you have to do now, go ahead now and tap on this place order. Then from there, the person will go ahead now and pay you in just 15 minutes. After the person has paid you, after the person has paid you like the 63.70 USDT into your bank account in Australia. From there, if you come back to this option, this place order button, it will change to paid. So just tap on this paid, you'll be able to see a paid button. After tapping on the paid button, from there you confirm your verification code. Then Binance will release the coin to the person, and you will receive your USDT into your Australian bank account. That's it, guys, on how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account in Australia. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.